welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tutorial for you, and it is going to be on this really pretty pink and purple smoky eye. I actually felt inspired by Cakes by Baby K on Instagram. As you can see here, I'll see if I can find it for you. So this is the look that I was inspired by, and she's so freaking beautiful, and her makeup looks are always so bomb, and I wanted to recreate it. So I decided to film a video for you guys because I usually don't do anything like this, and I always stick with my neutrals. So I thought it'd be something different, and I wanted to just show you guys my recreation of it. Again, this is going to be an inspired look, so it's not going to be exactly how Karen's look was, but it's pretty similar. I tried to do whatever I could with what I had in my collection, and this is what I came up with. So I just want to show you guys how I did it and how you can recreate it by using basically anything you have in your collection. Enough talking, and if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I went ahead and concealed my eyelids already as my primer. You can use eyeshadow primer if you want to, but if you know me and you know my other videos, I've been using just concealer because I just find it easier. And then I went ahead and just put powder right on top of that, and I used Bretman Rock's Coconut Connoisseur in the Jungle Rock palette. And to start off, you want to get that really pretty pink base that Karen had on her eyes. So I went ahead and took Flamingo in Bretman's palette as well, and I just am taking my trusty WetnWild crease brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right into my crease as my transition shade. For my outer corner crease, I'm gonna be taking Feline Myself in the same palette. It's a really deep purple color. I'm just gonna put like a little bit on the outer corners. I'm not gonna be really spreading it out, just to give your lids some more definition. I'm just gonna leave it right in this corner here, and then I'll blend it out with a different brush later. So I just went ahead and did that there, because as you can see more of my crease now. Then I'm just gonna go back with that pink transition shade and that same brush that we used, and just basically blend everything out, but focus more of the pink on the outside so you can see the pink on the outer parts. And now I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the Bling Boss. So Gem is gonna be this really pretty deep dark purple, and Gem is gonna be a more like violet red kind of purple, and I'm just gonna keep this right on the outer corners. But then we kind of create like a C shape, as you can see. Like I start here and I go up and then just kind of curve it like that, but I'm gonna work at it little at a time so that it's not so harsh. As you can see, during this entire process, I'm still going back in with that pink shade that was our transition, just to put everything together and just make sure everything is blended out as well. Now going into my Norvia palette, I'm going to be using the shade Soul. It's this really mauve-y, like muted purple shade. Kind of just brushing it over the lid. But make sure you tap off the excess, because you want to go really light with this. And I'm just going to put it right in the transitions at the middle right here. And now I'm taking Mandala, I believe that's what it's called, from my Carli Byble Anastasia palette, and I'm just gonna put it right on the lids here in the inner corners. And then with my fingers, I'm gonna take the NYX And just to add a little bit more shine, I just went ahead and used the Snowflake Loose Highlighter by Anastasia just to brighten it up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna plop some mascara on. So I went ahead and put my lashes on off camera because it kind of takes a little bit for me to do them. So yeah, but the lashes I used is Miami by Lily Lashes, and those are like my all-time favorite lashes. So most of the time I'll be using those. I will always link them down below as well though. So to prime, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Hangover X primer, and I really like this one because it hydrates my skin. If I were to like go out or just to be outside of the house and need my makeup to last all day, then I would use more of like a silicone like pore primer. But yeah, like I said, I'm just staying home, so I do not need that. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation, and I am in shade 110 Light. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This has been my favorite concealer ever. It's only $6, I believe, maybe $6.50, but it's honestly so bomb, you guys. And I'm in the shade Fair 06. Then we're gonna bake, and I'm just using the Cover FX loose powder. I don't know if they have different colors, but I used the lighter one, so. And then I just used the same powder to set the rest of my face. Go ahead and bronze up. I use the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, I think this was called. Yeah, and fantastic. The same shade for my nose contour. I'll be bulletproof, yeah. Okay, so for contouring, I'm just gonna use my Anastasia palette. And then for blush, I'm gonna be using Entertained by Tarte. And then for highlighter, we're going in with my favorite, iluvsarahii Dose of Colors collab. Yes. But then right on top of that, we're gonna go over with Bretman's highlighter with Wet n Wild. Yes, this is the gold one. Ooh, I love that. Just looks so good. And then for my lips, I'm just gonna use Lancome Timid. Because we don't want to do too much to the lips, so. And then go ahead and set the face. I forgot to record it, but I'm putting Soul from the Norvia palette under my eyes. And for Karen's look, I believe she put like a neon yellow in her under eyes, but I don't have any shade like that at all, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Then we're just gonna add a little bit of highlighter. Okay, a lot. Just gonna add some highlighter right in the inner corners here. And there you go, the completed makeup look. Alrighty guys, that completes the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Since we are in this quarantine and I have a lot of time on my hands now since I'm not going to work. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials. I can do more like sit down videos or mukbangs. I have been doing some of those, so if you like enjoyed those, I can definitely do more. Whatever you guys want to see, just please let me know, and hopefully I can get back on the YouTube grind and just do some more tutorials or just videos in general. Again, thank you, and just stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.